Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to set up a ShadowSocks server using the HTTP Injector app. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this guide is easy to follow and helps you set up a secure and stable connection for personal online privacy. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open any browser on your device and search for UDP Custom. From the search results, tap on the official site to visit the homepage. Once you're on the homepage, tap the menu icon, then select the SSH servers option. From the list of server protocols, tap ShadowSocks. Next, complete the CAPTCHA verification, then click Generate Now to create your ShadowSocks server. In a few seconds, your server details will be generated. Copy the ShadowSocks configuration information. We'll use it in the next step. Step 2. Now, open your mobile app store and search for HTTP Injector. Download and install the app on your device. Once installed, launch it and you'll land on the home screen. Tap the gear icon at the top to open the settings panel. Step 3. In the settings, look for the ShadowSocks section and tap it. Then, tap the clipboard icon to paste the server configuration you copied earlier. Click OK to save the settings. Next, tap the arrowhead icon on the right to choose the connection protocol. Under tunnel type, select ShadowSocks. Then under connection type, choose HTTP OPS or TLS OPS, depending on the server settings. Tap Save to confirm. If needed, tap the pencil icon to edit the host name and enter a valid one in the field provided. If you're using TLS OPS, make sure to also enter a valid SNI, server name indication, value. Step 4. Once everything is configured, return to the main screen and tap Start to begin the connection. You're now securely connected using your ShadowSocks server with HTTP Injector. And that's it. You've successfully set up a secure and private ShadowSocks connection using the HTTP Injector app. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more VPN and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.